Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn telephone etiquettes. We'll understand how we can have a smooth conversation with anyone on the phone call. So I'm going to repeat some tips for you. Tip number 1 is always greet and introduce, which means whenever we call someone or we receive a call, we should first greet them very nicely. Like by saying good morning, good afternoon. If the other person does not know us, we should introduce ourselves as well. So, I'll give you an example how to greet. If I get a call, I'll say hello, hi, good morning. This is Deepak here. Or if it could be like this as well. Example, hello. The other person says, hello beta. Then you say, good morning, Masi. Or if you know the other person, you can say whosoever it is, good morning, Masi, or good morning, uncle. And you say, how is everything? Hope you're doing really well. This is the tip number 1. Now we'll talk about tip number 2. If you do not know who is on the other side, you ask the other person who they are, and then you may ask them the reason for the call. For like this, hello, good morning, may I know who is on the line? Or if the other person gives their name, then you say, hi Rekha, how can I help you? So you are trying to make sure that you know who is on the line, then you do your conversation after. Third, if you're calling someone, you need to not assume that the other person knows you or is free to talk. So you should always ask them if it is the good time to speak or not. Like this, hi Riya, this is Deepak here. Very good morning. Hope you're doing really well. Is this a good time to speak? Like this. So we've learned simple 3 tips on how to start a good telephonic call. Now we'll understand what are the 3 other tips to have a very good conversation throughout the call. First is you need to be very polite. You should always be polite, but you need to be more polite on the phone call. Second, you need to make sure you're in a quiet place where there is no distraction or noise. If there is noise, you should say, sorry, there is some noise. Third, you should repeat yourself or the sentences if the connection is weak. And last, you should always say a nice goodbye and greet while ending the call. So these are important tips to have a good, healthy conversation. So hope you learned something really important today. Keep learning with Kazoop. Bye-bye.